Everybody, it's Carol Billing. I'm your instructor for Education 120, and I've had a few questions on the ABE, so I wanted to take a quick look with you here on the Weebly. So if you go to carolbilling.weebly.com and then click on your class there, I like to navigate through these links. I think they're easier than trying to do this drop down. And if I was really awesome with code, I could probably figure out how to get rid of this, but I don't know how to do that. So anyway, here's the autobiographical essay. And make sure you take a look at the stuff I have up here because it's helpful, especially this checklist, which actually gives you the prompts for all of the 5 ABEs, but they're all also in Blackboard. So I don't hold anything back. Your whole course is open. And then the sample ABEs are here. So let's try the first one. This was from a student a couple years ago. It was fabulous. Let's go to the top. Okay, this shouldn't have a goofy space right here, but so try not to have yours do that. Here's all the information you need on the center, and it needs to be balanced. I was trying to zoom out. Can I zoom out? No. There we go. Make sure it's balanced vertically on that first page. All right, and then your first thing is your introduction. And for now, you can put a placeholder in there, but leave space for your first introduction. That was part of ABE 1, so your cover, your introduction or placeholder, and then educational background, that's ABE 1. And you can also see they've got, they use different first page header is how you get this to be different. And I have a video, so if your header was wrong, I put a link in there for a video, so you can watch me build a header from scratch. Okay, so educational background, this is also ABE 1. This was Reagan's, all the way down. So it was about a page and a half. Then this is ABE 2. So it's just a bold heading, flush left, not indented. Then boom, start your ABE 2 right below it, and you're going to add it. So right to here, and you would stop before ethical reasoning. That would be your ABE 2. So each time you do an ABE with me, you are just adding the new section. And if you want to see what the final paper looks like, these samples should work to show you. I wouldn't leave the header here. I would bump it to the next page with a hard return. You can kind of do that in the very last version you send me. Look for those kinds of things. But that is it. And the nice thing about the ABE is there are no citations. You don't have to cite anything. So it's a little bit easier, I think. All right, so if you click back, I don't know if you can navigate through or not, but I also have one here from Amanda. And you can see it looks much the same in format. And she's got her intro here. And ABE 1 was educational background. It's pretty short, actually, but that's okay. ABE 2, also very short. And then I think she goes a little longer. It's a shorter paper in general. Yeah, it's only 5. So this one's 5, and still that's acceptable. 5 to 7 is your page range on this essay, and honestly, most people have trouble keeping it under 7. So just be very purposeful in what you're talking about. Everything you talk about in this paper should relate to why you want to be a teacher, because the whole point is that it gives you a writing sample to give to someone in a hiring situation, or if you're applying for teacher ed program at a 4-year institution. This also is a nice document to have and to provide. Okay, I think that's it. I've rambled for 4 whole minutes. You'll never get this 4 minutes back. But now hopefully you feel more confident with the ABE. Okay, thanks, bye.